My daughter leaves for school so early every morning, and honestly deciding what to pack for breakfast is one of the biggest morning challenges for me. So this week, I planned 5 wholesome breakfast boxes that are quick to make, filling, and something she actually enjoys eating. I made a simple white chana and sweet corn salad using everyday ingredients, keeping the spices very mild, because that's exactly how my daughter likes it. If you're a mom dealing with the same morning rush, this series is for you. Let's start with day 1. Quick to make, easy to pack, and perfect for busy mornings. Steam sprouts and boiled rajma for 10 minutes until soft and ready. In a pan, heat a little oil and add green chili and curry leaves. Then add peanuts and let them turn crunchy. Now add onions, carrots, steamed beans, grated fresh coconut, salt and chili flakes. Sauté everything well. Once the mixture becomes warm, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice for that refreshing taste. Moms with early school mornings, save this series. Something yummy in their lunchbox. So today, I made this quick and colorful pasta in just a few minutes. Boil the pasta, sauté garlic, oregano, chili flakes, onions, and your favorite veggies. Add pasta sauce, toss everything together until well coated. That's it. Don't forget to save this for your next busy weekend. If your kids love fried rice, they will absolutely love this. First, blanch the cauliflower florets. In a bowl, add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, besan, ginger garlic paste, and little water. Mix everything well, coat the cauliflower florets, and deep fry until crispy and golden. For the fried rice, heat oil in a pan and sauté garlic and green chilies. Add tomato puree and chili flakes and cook for a minute. Now add carrot and capsicum and sauté on high flame. Add cooked basmati rice along with black pepper and gently mix everything. Lastly, add the crispy gobi and toss well until everything is combined. This spicy and flavorful gobi Manchurian fried rice is perfect for kids' lunch boxes and evening meals. A simple meal that keeps the lunchbox both wholesome and delicious. In oil, adding jeera and few whole spices. Then I added crushed ginger garlic, green chili, onions, and tomato puree. The spices went in next: red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Then add cooked rajma and mix well. Next add salt and just a little sugar to balance the flavors. Cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Then add cooked white rice and mix everything well, and a final sprinkle of fresh coriander brings everything together. This one-pot rajma chawal is comforting, flavorful, and so easy to pack for school lunches.